Hello children, welcome to the English class. Today in this class we will do an English activity. So just you see what I have written. This is double E words, this is double O words, this is double L words, and this is irregular plural forms. So now let me put this paper under this container. Okay, you see children. Okay, now you see I have some cards in my hand. Okay, so let me see what it is written in these cards. So it is written ship, SHEEP, ship. In one and many we have learned, no? And see here in many also ship, SHEEP, ship. So this sheet where I will keep children, I will keep this one in double L, double E, double O. No, this will go with irregular plural forms. I will keep this sheet in this container. Now let me see the next sheet what I am getting. What it is written children? STREET, street. So this will go in double E words. This container I will keep. Again let me see what I am getting the next. It is DOLL, doll. So this will go in double L words. Now the next sheet, what it is waiting for us children? Let us see. It is football, FOOT, foot, BALL, football. But you know children, this sheet will go in double L words as well as double O. So let me put in the double O. One place I have to put, no. So it is very interesting, no children? Yes. Now see child and children. This sheet, where it will go? Guess. Yes. Yes children, it will go in irregular plural forms. Child, children. So this game is so nice, so interesting. Now here next, POOL, pool. So it's a double O words. So where it will go? Here. And next, BELL, bell. So here this one in this container. And another, this is the last sheet children. Here it is canteen, CAN, can, TEEN. So it is a double E words, and this one will go in this container. So it's a funny game children. So in your house you will play this game with your family members and with your brothers and sisters. A good passing of time. Okay, so after everything, see this, I have written this one, this activity sheet I have made. Activity. Okay, this is English activity. So double L words, what we got? Bell, BELL, bell. DOLL, doll. Then double E words, what we got? Canteen and street. So double E are used here. Now double O, pool and football. Irregular plural forms. Here what we got? Child, children, and ship. Ship will not change. It will be as usual in singular and plural form. So it's a very funny game children. you have to practice at your home. Okay, so stock of words you will gather and your thinking skill will develop. So today till this much. I hope you have enjoyed. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day, children. Tata.